Welcome to Mom's Dinner, everybody. We're going to put together a bourbon maple ham glaze that is so good. Perfect for about a 7 to 10 pound ham and just takes it over the top. So you're going to start with a really good bourbon whiskey and you're going to pour about 3/4 of a cup into a saucepan over medium heat. Then you're going to go in with 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You want to make sure you get a maple syrup that is like a pure or a good maple syrup. This is not the time for like a log cabin pancake syrup. Then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of a whole grain mustard. Then mince up 2 garlic cloves and get those added in. And I love this ingredient in this recipe. Just a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger makes this so good. Then you'll add in 1/4 teaspoon of allspice and 1/8 teaspoon of ground clove and whisk that all together really, really well. Let it come to a boil for about a minute, and then you're gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes over low heat, and it will be thick and syrupy and so good. Perfect for your spiral ham. You can use it just as is right when it's finished, or you can pop it in the fridge for 2 or 3 or 4 days and then just lightly heat it before using it, and it will be good to go. And I will put a link to the full recipe down in the description box below for you. We hope to have you subscribe to the Mom's Dinner channel for more amazing recipes that help you feel like a success in your kitchen.